We are now back with Adrian's nature walk. Now it's version 0.011. Let's just get right into it. Let's see, already there's two new things in the thumbnail, two little honor boxes. And now there's extra houses and extra trees in the so that's all this is the same, but the boss file also changes. Go on side by side if you want to. This video and the previous video to see the changes. Let's get to the wood. Going in. And then there's the forest. And there's new extra trees. This is what the pause button does. You can't move. Dog can't get you. Just wait. Skip the boxes. There's a box. Actually, okay. Next is the cave. There's nothing new here. So doing the same. Oh wait, I almost forgot. We should probably let's go back in. Well, let's just go back. Here's this house in the ocean. I put a cool little effect on it to make it I might add more detail to it, like some coral reefs or something. But space. Honestly, at this point, I don't know why I called it Adrian nature walk. I thought it was a good guess for the space. Well, actually, space is something like the planets are naturally here. We're standing on Jupiter and Saturn. And then there's winter and the bad guys. It's kind of obvious. The hot boxes themselves to all of these characters to make them evil. So, and penguins aren't evil in real life. They don't attack you. So, it's kind of obvious that they got possessed. And I just hello with the ghost. Get this one, and this is the last level before. This was the last level before, but now I have two new levels. So I'm going to do the last levels. Won't add any more levels to this, but I might make a second one of these. The next level is the grasslands. Here it is, and the bad guy is a minion and bugs. We're standing on yellow grass. Press the down button instead of the up button. The last level. It's the big boss fight. It's called the laboratory. This is where the Hun Bikes lived. There he is. Look, he's mad. He's also bigger. He's got a possessed person in the background. Let's get him. Oh no! He also spawned little mini Hun Bikes, so we got him. And he has 30% health. That's crazy. We're avoiding the mini Hun Bikes. Doing pretty good. Okay, we're getting close to being done. Yay, we got him. We can get to it. And then, yay, we win. It doesn't say more coming soon anymore because that's the last level. I will still make updates, but they're going to be small updates, so I won't show them on YouTube unless there's a bunch of updates combined together to become a big update. So the end.